This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg fried rice starting with uncooked rice. First, rinse 2 cups of long grain rice under cold water until it runs clear. This removes excess starch. Next, cook the rice with an equal amount of water, ensuring it's slightly firm. Immediately spread the hot rice onto a baking sheet to cool quickly, ideally for at least 1 hour or even overnight in the refrigerator. This crucial step prevents mushy fried rice. Now, let's prepare our other ingredients. Dice 1 small onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Have about 1 cup of frozen peas and carrots ready. For the eggs, whisk 2 large eggs with a dash of salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Pour in the eggs and scramble them until just set, then remove them from the pan and set aside. This keeps them tender. With your wok still hot, add another tablespoon of oil. Sauté the diced onions and minced garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, add your peas and carrots, cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Now, it's time for the star. Add the cooled rice to the wok. Break up any clumps with your spatula and stir-fry vigorously for about 3 minutes, ensuring every grain is heated through. Almost there, push the rice mixture to one side of the wok, then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce directly to the hot surface, letting it sizzle for a few seconds before mixing it in. Return your scrambled eggs to the wok and gently fold everything together until well combined. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Garnish your delicious egg fried rice with fresh chopped green onions and serve it immediately for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.